When it comes to enhancing the ambiance and comfort of your home, natural light plays a crucial role. It not only creates a welcoming environment but can also positively impact your well-being and energy bills. In Cayce, where residents enjoy a variety of climates throughout the year, maximizing the benefits of natural light is an essential home improvement goal. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by installing awning windows. These versatile windows offer a unique combination of design and functionality, making them an excellent choice for homeowners looking to brighten their living spaces. Here's how awning windows can help you make the most of natural light in your home. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top, allowing them to open outward from the bottom. This distinct design makes them ideal for catching the breeze while keeping out rain, even when they're fully open. Awning windows are typically installed high on walls, which not only makes them perfect for maximizing daylight but also offers enhanced privacy. Their sleek, contemporary design makes them an attractive option for any home, whether you live in a modern townhouse or a charming cottage in Cayce. Benefits of awning windows for maximizing natural light, unobstructed views and abundant light. Awning windows are designed to provide expansive views of the outdoors. When installed correctly, they allow more natural light to flood into your home, especially when placed on higher walls or in spaces where traditional windows might not fit. Their hinged mechanism enables you to open them just enough to let in light and fresh air while maintaining privacy. This is ideal for rooms that require both natural light and a sense of openness, such as living rooms, dining areas, and kitchens. Better ventilation and light control. Unlike other window styles, awning windows open outward from the top. This unique feature allows you to let in light while preventing rain or debris from entering your home, even on rainy days. With their top hinged design, they're perfect for enhancing cross ventilation without compromising on natural light. In areas like Cayce, where humidity levels can fluctuate, this airflow can help cool your home and create a pleasant indoor climate. Space efficiency. Awning windows are typically smaller than other window types, which means they can fit in places where space is limited. Placing them high on the wall allows you to use the space below for furniture or other decor without blocking the flow of natural light. This makes them ideal for rooms with low ceilings or narrow walls, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and stairwells, where maximizing light without sacrificing space is essential. Enhanced privacy. Because awning windows are often installed higher on the wall, they allow natural light to stream into your home without giving outsiders a clear view of your interior. This makes them a perfect solution for homes in more densely populated areas, such as urban environments or neighborhoods in Cayce, where privacy can be a concern. You can enjoy the benefits of abundant natural light without worrying about prying eyes. Energy efficiency. By increasing the amount of natural light in your home, awning windows can reduce your reliance on artificial lighting during the day. This helps lower your energy consumption and utility bills. During the colder months, they also provide better insulation due to their tight seal when closed. The combination of more light and better insulation helps keep your home comfortable year-round, while reducing energy costs, a great benefit for Cayce homeowners looking to live more sustainably. Aesthetic appeal. Awning windows are available in a range of styles and finishes, allowing you to choose the perfect design that complements your home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalistic look or a more traditional style, there is an awning window option to suit your taste. Installing these windows can enhance the overall curb appeal of your property while offering practical advantages. How to optimize awning windows for maximum natural light. To make the most of the natural light offered by awning windows, consider their placement. Installing them on the southern or western facing walls of your home in Cayce will ensure they capture sunlight during the day. Pairing them with light-colored interiors, mirrors, or glass doors can further amplify the amount of light that enters your living spaces. Additionally, adding sheer window coverings can soften the incoming light, creating a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere. Conclusion. Awning windows are an excellent way to maximize natural light in your home, especially in areas like Cayce, where the weather can be unpredictable. By improving ventilation, enhancing privacy, and providing unobstructed views, they offer a perfect balance of form and function. If you're looking to brighten up your living spaces while making your home more energy efficient, consider the many benefits of awning windows. With the right installation, you can transform your home into a light-filled sanctuary, no matter the weather outside.